Crypto's dead. Only the rich make money in crypto. You missed the opportunity. Yeah, no. Let's set the record straight. People are making real money in crypto right now. And not just whales, hedge funds, or insiders. Everyday people like me and you and me. So today we're breaking down the most profitable ways to earn in crypto in 2025. No hype, no clickbait, just facts. Let's get into it. All right, let's start with the easiest way to make money in crypto. You don't trade, you don't time the market, you just hold. Long-term investing, aka hodling, is the strategy that made early Bitcoin and Ethereum holders millionaires. Look, the idea is simple. Buy assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum that are the foundation of crypto, right? Hold them for years, not weeks. Ignore the noise. It sounds boring, maybe, but does it work? Absolutely. Let's put it this way. If you bought $1,000 of Bitcoin in 2015, you'd be sitting on $100,000 today. But in 2025, it's not just about holding. Now you can earn passive income on your holdings through staking. Lock your crypto, earn rewards. Think of it like earning interest in a bank, except the bank is crypto. Lending platforms. Lend out your assets and get paid in return. Let me give you the best platforms for this. Binance Earn, Lido for Ethereum staking, Aave for lending. If you're not a trader and don't want to stare at a chart all day, this is the best low-risk way to grow your crypto. For the brave and the bold, we have trading. All right, let's talk about trading. Some people make life-changing money trading crypto. Some people lose everything. So let's be honest, trading is not for everyone. But if you're willing to learn, this is how traders are making money right now. They have something called swing trading. They buy low, sell high over days or weeks. Think of it like investing in short bursts. Then we have scalping, in and out within minutes, making multiple small profits all day. Fast-paced, high energy, not for the faint of heart. Copy trading. Let someone else trade for you. Platforms like Bybit and BitGet let you copy expert traders automatically. Pro tip here, if you're new, don't trade with money you can't afford to lose. And do not trade without understanding liquidity, order flow, and risk management. The best tools for trading are TradingView for charting, Exocharts for order flow, Bybit and Binance for low-fee trading. If you can master trading, you can make money in any market, bull or bear. The closest thing to free money is arbitrage trading. This one is super underrated. Imagine walking into a store buying a phone for $500 and then selling it next door for $550. There you go, free money. This is how it works. You buy low on exchange A, you sell high on exchange B, and you profit from the price difference. In 2025, arbitrage is easier than ever with AI-powered tools like Bitscap, Pionex, Coin Arbitrage Bot. There is a catch though. Watch out for fees and withdrawal times, because some exchanges intentionally slow down withdrawals to block arbitrage traders. But if you know how to move fast, if you have the right equipment and tools, this is one of the easiest low-risk ways to make money in crypto. Let's hop on to the next big moneymaker, AI and crypto. Breaking news, y'all, AI is taking over. As for AI and crypto, well, AI-powered trading bots are changing the game. So what is happening? AI now analyzes market trends faster than humans. AI bots execute trades automatically 24/7. This is how people are using AI to make money. AI trading bots. Platforms like 3 Pionex, and Crypto Hopper let you run automated trading bots. Then we have AI-powered crypto tokens. Think Ocean Protocol, Fetch AI, and Singularity Net. These projects are booming right now. If you're not using AI in crypto by 2025, I'm sorry to say that you're already behind. And then we have Bitcoin Ordinals and NFTs, digital collectibles with real value. NFTs aren't just cartoon JPEGs anymore. The new wave of NFTs is actually built on Bitcoin's blockchain. They're called Ordinals. And why does this matter? Let me tell you. Unlike Ethereum NFTs, Ordinals are permanently stored on Bitcoin. Big investors and institutions are piling in, and it's not just pictures. NFTs are now tied to real-world assets, gaming rewards, and music royalties. And if you want to get in early, Bit.ly, Magic Eden for Bitcoin Ordinals, OpenSea for Ethereum NFTs, Blur for pro traders flipping NFTs. NFTs aren't dead, they just evolved. All right, let's wrap this up. People are making money in crypto right now as we speak, and here's how. If you want a long-term low-risk strategy, hold Bitcoin and Ethereum and earn yield. If you love action and high risk, try trading or copy trading. If you want near guaranteed profits, arbitrage trading is your move. If you want to ride the next big wave, AI and crypto is where the real money is flowing. If you love collectibles and digital assets, Bitcoin Ordinals and NFTs are still booming. And no one-size-fits-all approach exists in crypto, but if you pick one strategy and master it, crypto can change your financial future. What is your crypto money making strategy right now? Let me know in the comments. And of course, if this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe, and make sure to hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. And as always, may your wallets be full and your trades be smooth. See you in the next video. Have a good one.